Hey guys, hope you're doing well. So today let's update GB WhatsApp. Let's update GB WhatsApp very fast. Follow along with me. So this is the application I'm talking about. So what you'll do, you'll come to your WhatsApp, then go to this menu, tap on GB settings, then after reaching there, tap on updates. So try checking for updates manually here. So most of the times it will show you that you have the latest update. So you have to see on you have to see the version of WhatsApp you have. For example, now this one is Pro V1400. So now what we are going to do, we shall tap on update from the web. So it will open the browser, then we shall go to search for this update from the web. So this is the main website for GB WhatsApp Pro. So this is where you'll be getting the update from. So we shall wait for it to load. Okay, we shall wait for it to load, then we shall scroll down. So we shall scroll down, then we shall reach here, so we shall choose one of these ones. So as you can see now, it is updated to version 14.10. so we shall go ahead to download it here. So we shall wait for it to download. As you can see, this one is 14.10, the other one was 14.00. So I'll tap here, then it will go ahead to download. As you can see, I'll accept. Now it is starting the download. As you can see. So in case you want to share it with your friends so that they can also download, as you can see here, it is downloading. So in case you want to share with your friends, this is what you do. This is the share option. So this is the share option. So you can share here, or you can copy the link to Messenger, things like that. So what I will do here is, in case I want to share, I can just go back like one step behind. Yeah, I can go back one step behind. These are just ads. So I can go back one step behind. This one, I'll close this one. So I'll tap on this one. So as you can see, then you prolong tap here. Then you'll be given this option to copy the link. Then after copying the link, now you can go ahead to send it to whoever you feel like sending it to. For example, I'll send it to this one. This is it. Then he or she can go ahead and download. So guys, I'll wait for it to download, then I can show you everything. I think I'm almost there. A few is remaining. Yes, boom. So as you can see, this one is 14.10. So I'll be checking here about, as you can see, 14.0. So we shall wait for it to download. I think it's done. I'll go ahead to install it. I'll install, then wait for it. So as you can see now, it is done with the installation. I'll go ahead to open. Then after opening, I'll come here to check the update I've managed to get here. So I'll go on about. As you can see now, it's already changed. It's 14.10, guys. Thank you for watching.